Snow totals not quite as high in Boston, but when you have that many buildings, people and cars all packed together, getting rid of that snow is a Herculean task. Brandon Truitt is live in snowy South Boston tonight. Brandon.
Now, David, any rust that might have been built up over the past few more mild winters has certainly worn off at this point. The humming of snow blowers and the sound of shovels slicing through the snow ringing like a symphony around here. The back-breaking work happening all over again.
At this point, it seems if it's not one storm, it's another. Monday's blizzard brought powerful winds and created white-out conditions. Snow totals reached roughly 1.5 feet in Boston, and that's on top of what never melted from the last storm.
I'm over it.
Lexi Radisic lives in South Boston and wasted no time getting to work before this stuff had a chance to freeze.
Heavier, wetter. Last storm was definitely lighter, fluffier snow. Less snow this time, but it's heavier.
I hate it.
Kara Sullivan lives just up the street.
I'm from the South Shore, which they got it 10 times worse. So I am used to them, but I'm not used to shoveling.
In downtown, we saw people taking it all in. Some snagged a selfie, others grabbed their boards, and yes, there were runners. And it wouldn't be snow coverage if we didn't find someone with an iced coffee.
Come on, we live in Massachusetts.
Yeah, New England for you.
There in a day, I ain't getting one.
Boston remains in a snow emergency. That parking ban is still in effect. The mayor said she heard the critique following the last major storm. We reported on this. Boston residents from Roxbury to Back Bay told us they felt the city lifted the parking ban too soon and with little notice. The mayor says this ban will stay in place until at least 6 p.m. Tuesday.
The hope is that at that point the weather and the snow and cleanup looks okay, but we will at closer to that time give official word as to when it is going to be lifted.
In the meantime, the work to clear sidewalks and cars is just getting started.
What do you think about shoveling?
It's kind of hard.
8-year-old Tilly Angelio is out helping her dad, and her payoff comes Tuesday when she gets to do her favorite snow day activity.
And then you get to go sledding, and I can go sledding down the stairs in my backyard, like on my deck.
You better believe Tilly already has her space saver at the ready. You can see here live, some people really have their work cut out for them. Yikes. School closed in Boston tomorrow, obvious reasons. The city said this storm brought more downed trees and more power outages than the last, but they're not reporting any major injuries. Good news there. Live in South Boston, Brandon Truitt, WBZ News.
All right, Brandon, thanks.